You are working within a Microsoft Fabric tenant on a Power BI report and investigating a semantic model. You need to programmatically extract statistical metrics for your data, specifically the count, average, null count, distinct count, and standard deviation. Which Power Query M function is appropriate for this task? Option A, table.schema. Option B, table.view. Option C, table.fuzzygroup. Option D, table.profile. The goal here is to identify the specific function used within the Power Query language to generate descriptive statistics for your datasets. We are looking for a command that can automatically assess columns and provide a summary of their values without needing manual calculations for each metric.
In my view, the correct answer is table.profile. This Power Query M function is purpose-built to return a summary table containing statistical information about each column in the input table. It conveniently generates the count, average, null count, distinct count, and standard deviation for you, streamlining the data exploration process.
Regarding the other options, table.schema provides metadata, such as column names and data types, but it does not compute statistics. Table.view is not a standard M function for profiling data. Finally, table.fuzzygroup is used to group rows based on fuzzy matching logic, rather than calculating statistical profiles. Remember that table.profile is your go-to function for quick data assessment.